Hi, my name is Corina Christina, a student at ELATT studying computer engineering, level 3. Last year I completed the level 2 and now I'm doing the level 3, which is very interesting. Basically, I decided to study computer engineering at ELATT because of my interest in computer. I also have the passion to transition into tech, and I believe that ELATT is the right place that's going to help me achieve my dreams and start a passion or a career in the tech industry. One interesting thing that I've done in class recently was we were able to disconnect the entire computers, everything, all the systems in the computer, the plugs, the motherboard, the CPU. So I was able to dismantle everything and then reconnect everything, which was very interesting for me because that was something prior to the course that I never knew how to do. And I was able to put everything back together and the system was able to come on correctly. So I felt proud of myself. I felt like, yeah, I have achieved something since doing the course. So that was very interesting for me.